Hello. We have a Samsung S20 5G version here for data recovery, water damage.
Oh no!
Let's get started. So right here, a lot of corrosion under the scope. So let's clean it up. Alcohol and brush. Our favorite tool.
Yeah, boy.
Looks better. We could also test on our battery line here. Looks good. Looks good. We have a good testing housing here. Just make sure this screen works. Appears to not work. Okay, brand new screen. What am I doing? Never mind. Get this battery out of here.
A few minutes later.
All right. Perfect. So we know our testing housing works and the battery's charged. So if we put our customer board in here and prompt to boot and it turns on, this was a very quick and simple data recovery job. And yeah. Come on.
Oh no!
No, that would be too easy. Yeah. No. Okay. So we're going to connect DC power supply directly to the battery connector. Okay. Connected. So we switch to our tool view for 4.2 volts. We'll start low just in case we have a short. Looks good. Go to 4.2 output and bring our phone right here and prompt to boot. Ooh, that wasn't good. See how it jumped straight to, that's a short. That is a short. Just to compare, we'll look at what a healthy boot sequence looks like. So this is our good board here. Okay, not that battery. And connect to our good board. Okay, so output voltage and prompt. See how it goes 180, 260, and then boots. That's a healthy boot sequence. We do not have that on our customer board here. So let's put these aside for a moment and get our handy dandy thermal camera. See if we could find this short circuit. Okay, connect to power. So we can prompt it and get that 450 or whatever it was. Okay, so it looks like I have to hold it there. Let's take a look at our thermal view. There we go. All right, prompting now. Aha! I saw it. I see you. I see you.
Okay.
I was right here. Check that again.
Why?
Yep. I saw that. It was somewhere here, right? Let's freeze spray. I think I know which one is short, but freeze spray is always cool.
Wow.
Haha. Okay, so let's just knock that capacitor off the board because it's causing us grief because it's short. Take our measurement, make sure the short's gone. It is gone. So now, first let's clean the freeze spray stuff. Okay, so we found the short, removed the cap, or resistor, whatever it was, and the short's gone. So now we're going to hold the board in front of our DC power supply again and prompt and see what the amp hole looks like. And outputting prompt. That looks a lot better. So let's get our good screen. Where did it go? And let's try this out. Come on!
Come on!
Haha! Looks like it's booting up. Can we get to the operating system and get the customer's passcode inputted and recover all the data? Can we do it? AT&T must be. Beauty. All right. Success.
Excellent.
We made it to the operating system. Touch works. We can input the code and recover all the customer's data and then let them know the good news. As a recap, this board came in completely dead from water damage, mostly in this area here. We cleaned it up with 99% isopropyl alcohol, hooked it up to DC power supply, and saw that it was pulling high amperage. So we went to thermal view and found a capacitor that was short to ground, knocked it off, and the phone boots up normally. This was a successful recovery. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.